Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Alright, kaibigan mo po yan sa magandang kalagayan kaibigan kung saan ka man sulok sa mundo. I hope you will, kaibigan. Welcome to the Parking University. Andito na naman, kaibigan, yung professor nyo sa Parking University. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, so yung topic natin, kaibigan. Itong napakagandang quote ni Jim Rohn. Sabi ni Jim Rohn na, change your philosophy. Wow, wow. Alright, so bakit natin to talakayin? Okay? Kasi napaka-basic tong ano na to. Yung word na philosophy, kaibigan, is it's parang familiar tayo nito, pero hindi tayo nag-dig deeper na kung istudyuhan natin tong mga bagay na simple, or itong mga bagay na parang part sa law of the universe, kaibigan, it could change pala sa buhay natin. Wow! Alright, so sabi ni Jim Rohn, okay? So, kung ano ka ngayon, kaibigan, kung ano yung status mo ngayon sa buhay, it could be doing good, better, best, or hindi maganda, it's because of your philosophy, kaibigan. Okay? So, ano yung mga philosophy mo, mga filosofiya mo sa buhay, kaibigan? Wow! Wow! So, di ba? Actually, if you are not in that frequency, kaibigan, or if you are not aligning the frequency, kaibigan, di mo rin to siguro maano tong philosophy sa buhay. Kasi I just realized this recently as well, that mayroon pala tong kaya pala yung tao, for example, yung tao, kung ano yung naabot sa isang tao, kung ano yung naging siya, or nagiging dahil nagiging ano nangyari sa kanya, is it's because of his philosophy, kaibigan. Wow! Pero hindi mo tumatanong sa iyong sarili pag ikaw ay nasa ibang frequency, kaibigan. So pag ikaw ay napanood mo tong video na ito ngayon, kaibigan, so maybe you are within the frequency na you want change, you want self improvement, or learning, kasi nasagap mo tong frequency sa Parking University, kaibigan. Okay, so i-dig deeper natin tong yung philosophy natin sa buhay. Okay, so for example, kung ano ka ngayon, kung ano man yung status mo ngayon, it's because of your philosophy daw. So kung mag-start tayo daw i-change natin yung philosophy natin, kaibigan, kung i-start natin yung i-change natin yung paniniwala natin, it could change daw sa reality natin, kaibigan. So kung ano yung mga lumang paniniwala mo, or it could be yung lumang belief mo, and if hindi mo yan i-change, do not expect changes daw. So may kasabihan na if you don't change, nothing will change for you, kaibigan. So kung ikaw ay huwag kang mag-expect na mayroong different outcome pag wala kang binago. So it's a very basic law of the universe, kaibigan, na kung ang bagay is walang binago, hindi talaga yan magbabago. Okay, so pwede natin kung ma-apply natin yan sa buhay natin, is kung tayo ay gustong may pagbabago sa circumstances natin, gusto tayong may maiba na naman, mayroon naman tayong experience na iba, gusto tayong makatikim ng pagkain na iba, or mapuntahan ng lugar na iba, or anything, makadrive ng ibang sasakyan. So in order for that to break, makuha natin yung change na yan, kaibigan, is the only way for that is if we just change our philosophy. Wow! If we just change how we think, kaibigan. Kasi kung ano ka ngayon, you need to accept that it's because of your philosophy sa buhay. It's because how you think. Okay, so because how you think, kaibigan, it will build your action, it will build your habit, then it will become your routine, and it become your reality, kaibigan. So if you start changing your philosophy, if you just start changing your mind, kaibigan, is you will start seeing changes in your reality as well. Wow! So very basic principle, no, na hindi na natin kailangan mag-study ng 10 years, ilang taon tayo nag-aaral sa high school, elementary, college, kaibigan. So tapos nagpapakahirap tayo sa pag-study sa mga subject natin. So I'm not saying that school is not good, school is good, but learning is more important. May kasabihan kaibigan, learning is more important than school. So if if especially kung bata-bata pa tayo or namumolds tayo ng yung bata ka pa kasi madali yung marami ka pa time eh. So kung bata ka pa na-realize mo na yung bakit pala yung may tao na successful, may tao daw na hindi successful, or may tao na parang gusto niya sanang umabot sa point na yon o sa magiging ganyan siya pero hindi niya naabot. It's because or kung ano man siya ngayon, kung ano mang status ng tao na yan, it's because of his philosophy. It's because of what he believed daw. Kasi mostly tayo daw marami sa atin is meron tayong mga limiting beliefs. So mostly tayo lang din yung nagba-block mismo sa potential natin. So instead of for example daw, napakagandang example to daw. For example, may gusto ka daw bilhin. For example, let's say lang sasakyan. So may gusto kang sasakyan na bibilhin. Okay, pag sinabi mo daw yan na gusto ko yung sasakyan na yan pero mahal, di ko ma-afford yan. Okay, so yun yung philosophy mo sa buhay, kaibigan. So hindi natin yan fault, kaibigan, because it could be we learn that from our parents. Hindi yan fault sa ating parents kasi it could be yung parents natin na learn yan nila sa generation. But it's time to wake up, kaibigan, na pag sinabi daw natin na we cannot afford, that's part of our philosophy na hindi mo talaga yan ma-afford. So kung hindi mo yan pag sinabi mo na yan na hindi mo yan ma-afford, yung brain natin, kaibigan, is very powerful po. Yung subconscious mind natin is very powerful po. Kung ano yung finifeed natin sa subconscious mind natin at tatanggapin niya as a truth. Okay? So ang subconscious mind natin hindi niya alam kung ito ay totoo, guni-guni or dreams lang ba, pero kung ano yung finifeed mo, ina-accept niya lang, kaibigan. So pag sinabi mo daw na hindi ka maka-afford, so your subconscious mind will just process that and confirm na hindi ka nga maka-afford. So kaya binablock mo daw yung limitation mo dyan. Okay, so yung sasakyan na gusto mo na nabilhin, kaso mahal, sinabi mo sa sarili mo na hindi ako maka-afford. Okay, it goes to your subconscious mind. Subconscious mind will process and accept that as a truth, kaibigan. So yung brain mo dyan, kaibigan, guys, mag-stop na siyang mag-think, mag-stop na siyang maghanap ng way paano ma-afford yung sasakyan na gusto mo. So mag-stop na siyang mag-attract ng something para makuha yung goal mo. And the universe also, kaibigan, will just provide kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung frequency na andun ka. Pag sinabi mo na hindi ka maka-afford din, the universe also will align that frequency, kaibigan. So hindi ka makapag-meet ng isang tao, opportunity or anything na kasi yung goal mo, yung kino-confirm mo na hindi ka maka-afford. So ganyan ka-powerful kasi itong subconscious mind mo natin, kaibigan. Pero huwag i-tweak natin, kaibigan. Pag sinabihin mo na instead of saying hindi ka maka-afford, sabihin mo na I can afford this one day. Okay, there is a big difference daw dyan, kaibigan. Okay, so you just change your philosophy from negative philosophy to positive philosophy, kaibigan. So pag sinabi mo na I can afford this one day, hindi pa ngayon but one day. Okay, yung subconscious mind mo dyan, kaibigan, is pag sinabi mo I can afford this one day, okay, the law will always prevail, kaibigan. Kung ano yung finifeed sa subconscious mind mo, kahit pa delusional yan, kaibigan, pag paragi mo daw yung finifeed, pinapaniwala mo yung sarili mo na one day you can afford that thing, kaibigan. Naniwala yung subconscious mind mo, kaibigan. And your subconscious mind is very powerful. Kahit natutulog ka, it will work for you, okay? And it could align to the universe, kaibigan. Okay, pag kino-confirm mo na you can afford, your subconscious mind will work kahit natutulog ka, and it will align to the universe. And you know the power of universe, kaibigan. Kahit it could align people's circumstances, events, para lang towards the goal, or para lang because you are on that frequency, kaibigan. Wow, okay? So meaning if we just tweak our philosophy, if we just change our belief, we just tweak or change our reality as well, kaibigan. Wow, napaka-powerful, no? Napaka-powerful. Simple na word, simple na phrase, kaibigan, but it could be a life-changing, kaibigan. So dito lang natin ito matutunan sa Parking University, kaibigan. Okay? So Um, maybe because it's my personal experience no na ilang taon ako nag-aral, elementary, high school, college, nag-exam pa, pero yung mga basic na law na ganito, bago ko lang ito nahagilap, o bago ko lang to siya na maanuhan ng pansin na pag dito pala yung tao nag-focus sa mga basic law of universe, we could change our reality for the better one, kaibigan. It could be unlimited yung ma-achieve natin. Wow! Hopefully may natutunan tayo, kaibigan, at hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo. And I wish you well. Close your eyes, open your arms, and not your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world. Sa'yo na yan. Boom! Siya kala, nagkala-kala, like!